let's see the sign of trigonometric function in the given quadrant. So again, we have 4 quadrants. So this is as what we learned in school, add sugar to coffee. So here, the first quadrant, all will be positive. For the second quadrant, sine and also cosecant will be positive. For the third quadrant, tangent and also cotangent will be positive. And finally, for the fourth quadrant, cos and secant will be positive. Now let's see for cofunction formulas. Alright, so for cofunction formulas, let's draw this right angle triangle 90 degree. And you can have one angle here with theta. So naturally, another angle will be the total angle 180 degree minus 90 degree minus another theta here. So let's solve this. 180 degree minus 90 degree is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree minus theta. So let's read cos from here. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, A over C. And sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, B over C. However, we can relate this with another angle 90 degree minus theta. So let's see here. Sine of 90 degree minus theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is A over C. So do you realize that this value is the same? Therefore, we can conclude that this value here is also the same, which is cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta. Now let's see another one, cos of this angle. So cos of 90 degree minus theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, B over C. So do you realize here that B over C is the same value here? Therefore, we can conclude sine theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. So that is the cofunction formula. Now let us see the terminal points. So if terminal points for real t is square root of 3 over 2, negative half. So find the terminal points for these 5 conditions here. So first of all, let us graph this terminal point. So set 3 over 2 is a positive side. Negative half is a negative side, so obviously you are in the fourth quadrant. So let's see from this terminal point here, what we want to do is from this value here, let's find t. So the angle t is this angle here, a positive t. So for the first question, you want to find the angle of t plus pi, where this terminal point. So let's draw a t first. So this is t. Okay, you have to go up to t angle. And then you want to plus pi. So just carry on plus pi to counterclockwise. So this is the new value here. So here in the second quadrant, when your x-coordinate is negative, your y-coordinate is positive. So let's just take the value, negative set 3 over 2, comma, half. Now let's see question 2. It said we have t and then we want to minus pi. So obviously this is our terminal point t just now in quadrant 4, and now we want to minus pi. Minus pi means that you want to go clockwise as much as 180 degree. So the terminal point is still at the same quadrant as our number 1 just now. So you can just take the answer minus 3 over 2 half. Now let's see for number 3. The question asks us for pi minus t. So first of all, let's find minus t first. Okay, so this is your t. You have go up until fourth quadrant. So if you want to find minus 3, let's go backward, and it goes up to fourth quadrant backward. Okay, clockwise rotation. So you stop at quadrant number 1. So now this is minus t. What you want to do with minus t is you want to plus pi. So from here, just plus 180 degrees, so just go counterclockwise. So now your new answer is in third quadrant. Your x-coordinate is negative, your y-coordinate is also negative. So just put a negative sign and just take the value minus 3 over 2, comma, minus half. Now let's see number 4. This is a bit different. We want t minus pi over 2. So let's go to t first. Terminal point is on the fourth quadrant. So you don't want to go to minus pi, you want to minus pi over 2. So from here, if you want to minus pi, you're going to the second quadrant. However, this is just minus pi over 2, so it is 90 degrees, so you'll stop here. So the triangle from here is now goes here. Okay, so things is different here from the original triangle. Now the triangle is here. So earlier when the triangle, the value here is y coordinate. Now it becomes the x coordinate here. Okay, so your half should be put into the x coordinate. How about your x coordinate here? Now when you move to this pink line here, it becomes the y coordinate. So from set 3 over 2 in your x coordinate, now we move it to the y coordinate. How about the coordinate of your third quadrant? X is negative, y is also negative. So this is your final answer, negative half, negative set 3 over 2. So now let's see question number 5. We want pi over 2 minus t. So first of all, let's draw minus t first. So t is in the fourth quadrant, so go back to find minus t. So now this is minus t. The green line here, this is from your first quadrant. So what you want to do here is you want to plus pi over 2. So this is plus pi, this is plus pi over 2. So be careful with this triangle here. The new triangle is the pink one. Originally this is your x value, but now it becomes your y value. So now let's put set 3 over 2 in your y coordinate. So let's see for your y coordinate here. Originally this is half, but now this have become the x value. Okay, so let's put half here. So be careful, your x coordinate is negative, your y coordinate is positive. So now this is our final answer. Our p is negative half, comma, set 3 over 2.